How to track your savings goal with Regions Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to hit your savings target faster, well here is how to track savings goal in Regions Bank Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to go to the account dashboard and look for saving goals or a similar feature in the menu and sometimes under accounts or in tools. And there you simply have to create a new goal by naming it, setting a target amount and choosing the savings account to use. And with that, you simply have to set a target date and optional recurring transfer amounts so money moves automatically toward the goal. And once set, you'll see progress bars and percentage complete on the dashboard. So there you can check back anytime to track progress. And that's it. That's how you can track your Regions Bank saving goals easily and can stay motivated. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.